Welcome, future fish keepers. Starting your first fish tank can feel overwhelming, but I'm here to make it simple and fun. Setting up a freshwater aquarium is your chance to create a vibrant, living ecosystem at home. Imagine colorful fish gliding through crystal clear water, a window to an underwater world. Aquariums bring joy, tranquility, and a daily connection to nature. This guide is designed for beginners with clear steps and no confusing jargon. We'll cover everything you need to set up a healthy, happy home for your fish. Think of me as your expedition leader on this aquatic adventure. Ready to dive in? Let's build your own aquatic paradise. Don't forget to subscribe to Fred's No Frills videos for more simple, helpful guides like this one. First up, your tank. Here's a pro tip. Bigger is better for beginners. A 20-gallon tank or larger is more stable and forgiving. Larger tanks keep water conditions steady, giving you and your fish a safety net. Small mistakes are less risky in a bigger tank, and your fish will love the extra space. Now, tank materials. Glass and acrylic are your main choices. Glass tanks are sturdy, affordable, and scratch-resistant, perfect for learning the ropes. Acrylic tanks are lighter and clearer, but scratch easily. For most beginners, glass is the way to go. It's reliable, widely available, and a great foundation for your aquatic journey. Choose a tank that fits your space and budget, but don't go too small. A solid glass tank is your best bet for a smooth start. Let's get ready to gear up. With your tank picked out, it's time to gather essential gear. You'll need a filter, heater, thermometer, light, water conditioner, and substrate. The filter is your tank's life support, removing debris, chemicals, and supporting beneficial bacteria. A heater and thermometer keep water at a steady tropical temperature, vital for most beginner fish. Water conditioner makes tap water safe by neutralizing harmful chemicals. Substrate, gravel or sand, anchors plants and provides a home for good bacteria. Lighting lets you enjoy your fish and helps plants grow. Each piece is crucial for a balanced, healthy aquarium. Think of this as packing for an adventure. Every item has a purpose. With the right gear, you're set for success. Let's move on to the setup. Your underwater world is about to take shape. Time to set up. Place your tank on a strong, level surface away from sunlight and temperature swings. Rinse your substrate and decorations thoroughly. No soap, just water. Add the clean substrate to the tank, then arrange your decorations for hiding spots and interest. Install your filter and heater, but don't plug them in yet. Slowly fill the tank with water, using a plate to avoid disturbing the substrate. Add water conditioner as you fill. Top off the tank, leaving a little space at the top. Now plug in your filter and heater. Double-check everything is working. Watch as your underwater city comes to life. Setting up is a bit of work, but it's worth it. You're almost ready for fish. Just one crucial step left. Let's talk about cycling your tank. Before adding fish, you must cycle your tank. This builds up beneficial bacteria that keep water safe. Fish produce ammonia, which is toxic. Cycling grows bacteria that convert ammonia to nitrite, then to less harmful nitrate. Do a fishless cycle. Add a small amount of fish food or pure ammonia to feed the bacteria. Use a test kit to monitor ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate levels. Cycling takes 4-8 weeks, but patience pays off. You'll know it's done when ammonia and nitrite drop to zero and nitrates appear. Only then is your tank safe for fish. This step is the foundation for a healthy aquarium. Don't rush, your fish will thank you. Once cycled, you're ready for new aquatic friends. Let's bring your tank to life. The big moment, adding your first fish. Start with hardy species like platies, guppies, or zebra danios. Don't overcrowd. Begin with a small group and add more slowly. Acclimate your fish by floating the sealed bag in the tank for 15-20 minutes. Gradually mix tank water into the bag over an hour. Gently net the fish into the tank. Avoid adding store water. Keep lights off for a few hours and skip feeding the first day. Watch your fish explore their new home. For maintenance, do weekly 25% water changes with dechlorinated water. Use a gravel vacuum and clean algae as needed. Rinse filter media in old tank water, not tap water. Test water regularly to keep conditions safe. Consistent care keeps your aquarium thriving. Enjoy your new underwater world. Thanks for watching. For more no-nonsense aquarium tips, follow Fred's No Frills videos. See you next time.